I was looking at US30 on a monthly time frame, and something that really caught my eyes was how price repeated itself over the last couple of years. And we could be seeing the same thing occurring in the next couple of weeks, if not to a month or 2 months or however long it takes, and a possible of 4.5 to 5,000 pips drop into the 45,000 region and 43,331 between 4.5 and 5,000 pips. Back in 2020, price dropped at the start of the year. January, Feb drop. The same thing happened in 2021. Price applying both technical and looking at history itself, price happened to be into premium prices. We in January, Feb, and followed up with a drop back into the premium and discount of the monthly dealing range. Pushed up, had a consolidation, break above the range, retest, another push higher, coming into 2024 and dropping again from February onwards. And again, where are we in price action? Into premium prices of the dealing range, and that should be high. I forgot to mark that, so monthly, high, low, and push. The same thing coming into 2026. We did break above the previous month high, so we're creating the highest high in Feb, which can be followed up with a drop back into the 45,000 and 43,000. However, the weekly and the daily time frame are both bullish. I am open to the idea that price could be creating new highs. However, what we had at the start of this week is price dropped, taking out nearly the 50% of the last week candle, dropping below the previous higher high. So, depending on how price develops, and I will be waiting for a good amount of confirmation, we could be seeing price pulling back up. We've got the support and resistance on the weekly time frame with left shoulder pad and a right shoulder followed up with a drop. Price did drop with a massive momentum, leaving us with a fair value gap to work with. I'm going to see how price develops around that area, and if it does provide me with a good sell setup, I will be looking to take shorts. The first target before dropping into 45,000 will be anywhere between 47,000, 47,000 and 47,000, 45,715, potentially expecting a bullish reaction before dropping ultimately 4.5 to 5,000 pips lower. Price is still developing and taking shorts as of now. Currently is Friday. It's not worthwhile. I will be monitoring this pair at the start of the next week into midweek and see how price develops. But currently I'm not gonna be taking any trades on US30. And that's it for the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.